bite down. There we go. Perfect. I know they did. Oh, man. You're funny. I didn't expect you to come after all.
I know, I had a couple of things I had to do this morning.
Yeah.
So I went and did those first, and I was like, I might as well just pop over there really quick.
Okay. I thought maybe you thought it was coming. That's why I didn't. No. Just bite down there like that. Just kind of hold that pose for me. Gonna fill it.
What are we doing?
So I'm gonna re-cement this band. I'm gonna just re-cement it because it came loose on her. And then you just, this is the band. And we're just gonna put it in like this. And then I usually just kind of smooth it off with my finger. Perfect. And then I'll have you bite down. Let's see, open. Bite on this a little bit. There we go. Hard. There you go. Open. Bite again. Open. Bite there. Okay, that's good. There we go. And then we're just gonna get all this cement off there. And then this is a bright light, so you really don't want to look at the light if you can. Yeah, she came in. Yeah.
Be nice.
We brought her through the back. We snuck her in the back.
Be nice. She was working in the morning and she's here to finish her hours.
Okay.
I told her to be nice. You just got lunch paid for.
Gonna put a little bit of etch here.
You owe that to me. I told you.
Splatter all over the place. Just like that. And then turn a little more that way. Very good. We'll just go in here like this. Okay, and I'm going to have you bite down on your back teeth. Normal. Okay, open. Perfect.
And then like show like the background of somebody like spraying on me. And then like you show a staff and say, but I remember that time he made me work late. I was gonna help, but I thought about that time he made me work late. Like she starts walking, and then she stops. And then like you have another one.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Okay.
Just what happened. Somebody came in swinging. Listen,
Oh,
I'm that's the first name I'm yelling. I'm just going, yes!
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Turn this way.
And not Jessie, because she ain't.
Yeah.
She's like, quiet for her, but I'm gonna say Jessica.
I know.
And run it.
You should be.
But
Just to prevent it from splattering all over the place. This doesn't taste good. I'm gonna cut off. You okay?
Ma'am, did you keep opening the door or is it open?
I think it opens on its own. Like it slides.
So, do you need something from there?
It might be a little cold, okay? There you go. See that? Nice and starchy. Okay, here we go. And then I just need my bracket. Very good. Stay just like that. Hold that pose. We'll put a little body
we need
motion.
you to pretend to hit your boss.
Ooh.
Okay, but not be so excited.
I told you to have Deuce.
Not be so.
If
I wouldn't
that-
dare give her the.
If that means
No, because she's not gonna act.
Open.
I'm trying to be nicer.
Well, you need to try harder. You try to be like you.
Hey,
Oh. Very
you're
good.
messing
Okay,
with my money, remember?
here we go. I'm gonna cure that real quick with this bright light. Like that. Perfect. There we go.
18 by 25?
No, oh no. These are
She just
done.
bumped at the 5 right now.
Yeah.
I did a 14.
Steel tile?
I don't think we need to do that. Not yet.
We just bonded them.
Last time, right? We just wanted them last time? Last appointment? Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna clear everything, okay? It's gonna be tight. Just put some on here. Very good. This one's never good. Very good. And you're okay, Marguerite? Okay. And then you're gonna turn that way just a tad, and you're gonna put some in the bracket. Like that. Looks good. Very good. And we just cut the wire off. Very good. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna retie this upper for you real quick. Turn this one. This. There we go. Let me see if I can move it around just a tad. There we go. Does he turn that way a little? Okay.
I look like that.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, kind of. That's how she's gonna look on Saturday. You wanna see?
You just bite down. There we go. Perfect.